Welcome to your first video of Revit Essential Training Series. So when you start Revit application, this is what you see. So we have few sections on the first page of Revit. So we have the project section, we have the family section. On the right, we have the resources section. Now let's talk about the project section first. So in the project section, we can open a new project. So let's say you are working on a project previously and you want to open that file. So you can simply click on open, which will give you this window, and then you can browse to that project and double click on it to open that in Revit. I'm gonna go and click on cancel. Now we have the new option. So if I click on new, I get this window. Here we will select a template. So if I click on this drop down menu, and here you can see we have the same templates available here, which we can see outside in the project section as well. So you can come down here, click on new and select architectural template, construction template, a structural, a mechanical template, or you can simply click on one of these options, which will create a project for you. But one more feature here we have is the browse feature. So let's say we don't have the template what we want to use, so we can browse, and then we can browse to our computer and we can select that template to open that in Revit. Okay, so let's click on cancel. Now this section is your recent project. So let's say you open this project previously and then close the Revit application. Then you will come back to Revit and you will see this project at the top here. So these are the few recent projects you've been working on. Now in the family sections, what are families basically? Families are a separate components, or you can call them a model or objects that you can use into your project. So let's say you are working on a house project and you want to have a table in that house or maybe in the room. So you can select one of the family here which are available here. We will learn how to create our own families in the course as well. But here we have the family section. The recent families we use are available here. We can open a new family. We can create a new family by clicking on new, and we will select one of the template from here, and then we will create our family object. Now on the right we have the resources section. Resources section basically lets you learn Revit. So what's new will take you to the page where you will learn some the Revit information about what's new in Revit 2017.2. So these are some helpful resources, so you can check them out. Now we have seen the project area, families area. We can see that we have the new open and some templates available here. But what if we go to the Revit menu here? And here you can see we have the same option, new, open, save, save as, export. So in the new, if I click on the new, it will give me this dialog box again. That's the same dialog box you get with this new option. But if I hover over my cursor on the new, you will see it pop out another menu here where I can select, create a Revit project, create a family, conceptual mask, title block, annotation symbol, and likewise open will let me open a project, open the family, or open a Revit file. We have few more files we can open in Revit, and then we have the save option, save as option, export option, so we can export our project into CAD files, DWF or DWFX file, FBX file. Next we have a publish option, which is grayed out because we don't have any project open in Revit yet. We have the printing option to print our project, whether it's 2D or 3D. Next option is a close option. If you want to close Revit, you can click here, but it's better to click on this cross icon on the top right to close Revit.